Daya. Hot ng crabs.
Two.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Say hi Cassie! Let's eat! Meron kaming alimasag.
Meron kaming
Hipon. Sugpo. Sugpo
no,
ba yan?
it's not a sugpo. It's alamang. Small.
Mine.
Come on. Thank you.
This is the shrimp pat.
Nakikita ng tita lang.
Where's the lagay?
Galit-galit muna ulit.
Oh, sarap.
Meron kaming gulay para sa ayaw magkanin.
Oh, sarap din ito. Both.
Tubig na yung gata.
I'm thinking.
Big.
Ginataang alimasag. Oh.
Nanginginig-nginig pa.
Open na natin.
Wow.
Wow!
No, I said I want shrimp.
It's for me. Ingat. Whew.
Ah, ito na nga. Dito ko lang.
Huh?
Sarap. Sarap ng gulay.
I want more now.
Hot ng crabs.
Two.
Alam ka ba?
Sa Pilipinas, oh, mas mura dito.
Yes. Hindi.
Yun lang.
Almost. Mm.
Pipino. Hindi ako nakain ng buto ng pipino.
But I cover.
There's no taste that leaves. Yung binili natin.
Hindi.
Naa. Naa. It's too wet.
Lahat naman little leaves. Oh.
Ang sarap yung sauce ng...
Yummy.
Mm.
I want to join. Yummy.
Sarap.
Didikman mo yung sarap-sarap.
I like it. I want to bring this to school every day.
Okay. Smooth. Siya na may sili. May bawang.
Nanay. Nanay.
Yeah. Buksan na natin.
Daddy, now I'm very good eating.
Yeah. You're always eating vegetable. I will give you surprise.
Yeah.
I will buy you a kangkong.
Huh?
Kangkong.
Which one? What is the come home? What?
Grabe.
Vegetable. Yan.
Grabe. Sarap.
Sakto luto naman.
Tama lang. Pinatay ko na yung ano yung apoy.
First time.
Hindi overcook ang aking crabs. First time daw.
give me one more cucumber.
Okay, after you finish it.
Why?
There's a lot.
You will bring in your school?
Yeah.
Very good. This also.
No.
Hindi kaya tayo ma-allergy nito.
Siguro.
Lettuce naman tayo. Lettuce. Nawala yung spirit ng cook. Spirit niyan.
Yeah, man.
Healthy mukbang to. Healthy.
Opo.
Walang carbs. Keto, keto. Kung tawagin.
Healthy ba yan?
Walang carbs. Keto. Ketogenic, di ba? Tama ba?
Ito, mga abutin natin pag na-allergy.
Kaya keto mo rin. Green.
Yeah, they are watered up.
The seeds ng cucumber.
But they're not seeds. I'm eating the seeds too.
Yun.
Sarap. Grabe.
It's healthy.
You say hi.
Hi.
Yung sayo.
Yummy, yummy, yummy cucumber.
Want more?
But I'm still eating my cucumber.
Wala siyang aligay pero malaman. Tap sa kanin.
Wala siyang aligay. Katulad nito. Yan.
Ang daya.
You
Ito,
want
ito.
like
Piling ko meron.
Tignan mo yung batok pag bingi. Aba. Sada lang.
Okay lang, di. Huwag na.
Ito ka na.
Huwag.
Hindi nagre-review ka.
but I want to eat first.
Open.
Mommy,
Sige.
Oh, actually, what is this?
what?
The orange one.
The egg. Crab's egg.
It's not.
Crab. Magkano yung 25 sa pesos?
Oh, papadala mo.
Hindi, sasabihin ko sa kanila.
25 dirhams. Times mo 40.
Ikaw ang time.
Sa pesos, ha? 280. 25 ba? 370.
370 pesos to per kilo. 370 pesos. Tapos, 25 dirhams.
Ah, 360 pala, sorry.
Okay lang. Ang galing. Nag-iit lang ako cucumber.
Mommy, could you find like that? I want like that. Mommy, could you find like that? Where?
This one?
Yeah, like
Without the
that.
seeds? I just remove it.
Oh, I want like that.
Hanap na. Nakaka-high blood.
Yummy, yummy.
Sausan natin sa butter.
Butter-loaded chili.
Walang focus kami kasi cellphone lang to. Grabe. Nakakapangitik. Isa pa tayong crabs. Hindi na pwede itong umabot bukas. Baka masira. Sitaw, kangkong, squash. What is this? What is this orange?
Vegetable.
What kind of vegetable?
During Halloween.
Mango? Mango na.
Mango.
What is
Orange.
On Halloween.
Pumpkin.
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 Sortihin naman sana ako sa taba. Paano, Daddy? Ito. Eh, my God.
Mommy, look, I ate them.
very good. That's such a nice gift for tonight. Iba pa rin yung alimasag sa atin. Napakadaling talupan. May hiwalay sa lap.
Parang may nabili naman tayo dati na ano, di ba? Mabilis, talupang.
Buhay yun eh.
Ang dating ang sarap na kinain natin. Wala pa tayong lamesa.
Yes.
Yun yan. Ay, pakadami
Where's
kong
my
kain
sleep?
tayo. Ang sarap ng alimasag na yun. Walang kalansa-lansa.
Sa buhay ang alimasag. Malambot, matigas yung karne.
Dati yung titik eh. Ano mag-aara? Bubuksan ko lahat to. Makita ko lang yung ilagay. Bubuksan ko lahat.
Pwede rin yan, matigas na.
Mabigat. I want mabigat. Oh my God! Alige is here!
Nadidili yung pagkain ko ng hipon sa alimasag na to.
I said, love,
Love.
I
Nakawa
love
na ako.
you, love you.
Nice! Kinain.
That was my favorite now.
Which one?
I was thinking I thought that is like broccoli.
Ang init!
Boy,
Tuwasgot yun mga kada mamaya. Tuwang-tuwa.
Iwalay mo mga ulo, tago mo yung laman.
So, tapos, baka tayo makakatulog na, hindi ko masabi. Gutom na gutom. Titirahan ko yung kapatid ko.
Ay!
Nasa trabaho pa siya. Busog na ako.
At high blood.
Kasi, can you turn off the AC, please?
Wait.
And can you please,
Done.
dan, 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 dan.
What's your name, girl?
Castilla Kay.
Ah, you are Cassie.
No, Castilla Kay.
Castiela, okay. Okay. What's the name of
Hi.
your mommy?
Mother Nicole.
Full name?
Mama.
I'm Marjorie Carlos.
Yes. Daddy, don't touch this. Daddy, why milk is too big? Put. That's too much. Enough? Daddy, enough?
Mm.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Dalawa ka lang nito, busog ka na.
7, 8, 9, 10. 10!
Hirap kainin. Kung nagkanin kami, kanina pa kami busog. Hindi yan kakain. Palige. Kakain yan hipon. Ang dami. Dami palige. Grabe.
Hey, what's on my head?
Ako, naglandi na naman.
Bravo.
Hmm?
I told you. I got milk for you. Okay. Look over. I do already 3 now. I like all of.
Last bite ko. Harap.
This wrong thing.
FS1.
What?
FS1 is not allowed to use.
FS1?
Mm-hmm.
Who's FS1?
You.
I'm not F. I'm not FS1.
What?
I'm junior C.
Oh my God.
I forgot terror.
Spell
I know.
terror.
T.
Finger.
I Mama.
Okay. Candle.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.
I eat cookies.